Hello everyone. Today we learn general awareness. Grade nursery. Open your EVS textbook. Page number 3939. 3939. Birds. These animals are called birds. These animals are called birds. Say their names. Look at here everyone. Which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. Which bird is this? Hen. Which bird is this? Hen. Which bird is this? Hen. Which bird is this? You know very well which bird is this? Yes, peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. Now, which bird is this? Owl. Which bird is this? Owl. Then, which bird is this? Which bird is this? Parrot. Which bird is this? Parrot. Now, which bird is this? Sparrow. Which bird is this? Sparrow. Now, which bird is this? Crane. Which bird is this? Crane. Then, which bird is this? Swan. Which bird is this? Swan. And which bird is this? Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. Which bird is this? Duck. Now, next page. Fun time. Color the birds. Color the birds. Look at here everyone. Here some birds are here. Whatever color you like, you fill it. First, you can make borderline. Then, you fill color. You do at your home. Thank you.